Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button. So you probably already know what type of video this is based on the title, but I'm going to be doing another luxury haul. You guys seem to love those type of videos and I love doing them for you. So that's what today's video is about. Before we get into the luxury haul, I got a new wand to curl my hair with. And if you want to see a tutorial on how I curl my hair, give this video a big thumbs up. So let's just get right into this video. The first luxury store that I went into was Gucci. And this has been really hard because I've been wanting to wear this and I was like, I gotta wait till I film this video. But there's a funny story behind these two boxes. So, and Gustavo had been saying he really liked this ring and we checked it out from Gucci, but they didn't have his size yet. So I went to my Gucci advisor and I was like, hey, remember we spoke about this ring? And she's like, yeah, let me check the size, like if they have his size. So it turns out they ended up having his size and I was gonna wait till Valentine's Day to surprise him with it, but then I was like, nah, just give him it now. So this is like a few weeks ago. It's a Gucci ring, but they put it in the cutest, like heart-shaped velvet maroon ring box. And usually they just come in this. So they gave him like this really cute box and I was like, I want the box. It looks like this. And I love the detailing on it. The G's is just the classic logo. And it's silver, so that's really neat. So I was like, okay, so he was super excited about this ring. He ended up giving me the box just because it's like heart-shaped and it's pretty, it's more girly than like a guy's jewelry box. But then I was like, I don't have any jewelry from Gucci. And I thought they were gonna give me a box like this. They didn't. They gave me this type of box, which is still okay. But I got a ring also. And it came in this little bag. And you open it up. And it looks like this. And the really cool thing about it is that the G's are facing towards each other. Usually they're facing just one way, but they're facing towards each other and they're not interlocked. And then it has a skull on it with the Gucci symbol. I really liked it. And I don't have too much silver jewelry, so I really thought this was going to be pretty cool to wear. And it kind of complements my wedding ring because my wedding ring is part silver too. But I really think this is cool and it kind of matches Gustavo's ring. The next item that I got from Gucci, and you probably have seen a sneak peek in my latest video. It was when I went to the Museum of Dream Space. It was so much fun. Definitely recommend that. But I also went to Rodeo Drive. And let's just reveal it. So I got this really cute Gucci sweater. I really like this sweater because it is so different from any of the Gucci I own for a lot of reasons. One, it has orange on it, which is not their signature red and green that they usually do. But it's from their I Know Everything About Love collection. As soon as the guy brought it out, I was like, wow, that's really cool and different. So I got this one, and I know I have a bunch of sweaters, but you can never have too many sweaters. And so I really like this one. Like I said, the coloring, I love how it's black with the orange. Kind of reminds me of like Halloween, but it's still pretty cool. The next item that I got from the Gucci store is this really cool t-shirt. And I think it's from their Gucci band t-shirt because it kind of looks like a band shirt. Like, you know how they have like Rolling Stones and it always has these. So I love that detail. Again, this is different from their usual traditional like Gucci logo. This is a guy's shirt, but I really liked it. Just like I said, I'm trying to go for like a different look. These don't look like traditional Gucci, and so I like that they're going a little bit different on their clothes. So this was a really cool purchase, and that it's white and red. So I like that. Something different. This is probably one of my favorite ones. The next store that I went to was Louis Vuitton. And I'm really liking like a lot of the ready-to-wear clothes from the luxury stores. But I got this really cool shirt. And I don't know if you can tell, but I love the detailing. It has a chain right here. And I love that, and it just has their Louis Vuitton logo, and it kind of reminds me of like a checkered board. Wait, is it checkers? Yeah, it's checkers, because of the white and black, and it just looks really cool. Also, unlike Gucci, Louis Vuitton is more like it fits. It's not oversized, it's true to size. And so this, I actually got a size small in, and it fits perfect. It's not like too loose, but it's not like where it hugs you and it's like super tight. So I love that about their clothes. The next store that I went to was Burberry, and I got this really cute t-shirt. Now with Burberry, I love that it has this plaid pattern because it's their signature look, and especially with the white. They have a shirt that has this black and with the plaid pattern as well, but I like the white. It's just a lot more cooling tones, especially now that it's going to start getting warmer. But the only thing is that I was really wanting something with a plaid, because if you don't know this, Burberry went to like a different like signature, kind of like their logo, and it's two bees, and I'm gonna insert a picture here or somewhere here, probably right here, of their new logo. But I like the plaid because as soon as anyone sees plaid like this in these colors, you know it's Burberry. Versus their logo, like it's kind of different, so you're not gonna be as familiar with it, or at least I'm not. But this is my first purchase with them, and I like it a lot because, oh, I didn't even notice that it has it inside too, just like this little part. But I like it a lot because this, you can wear this with some jeans, and it's more on the casual side, and it looks really cool, and it's really soft too. Like this material is really soft. So I really like this shirt. And again, this is a size small. It's a little bit longer, but I am a lot shorter than like the average person, but it's not oversized like Gucci's clothes are. So this is more true to size as well. That is all that I got for my luxury haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and leave a comment down below. What was your favorite item that I received today, that I purchased today? Because my favorite, I think, is going to be the ring. The ring, I've been waiting to wear this, so it's really cool. But give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more luxury hauls. And thank you guys so much for watching and all your support. I really appreciate it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!